Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make royal icing with meringue powder. First, gather your ingredients: 4 cups of powdered sugar, 3 tablespoons of meringue powder, and about 1/2 cup of warm water. You'll also want a flavoring, such as 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or fresh lemon juice. Using meringue powder ensures your icing is safe and stable, perfect for decorating. This method is straightforward and yields beautiful, professional results every time. To begin, combine the powdered sugar and meringue powder in a large mixing bowl. Use a stand mixer with the whisk attachment for best results. Gradually add the warm water and your chosen flavoring, like vanilla or lemon juice, while mixing on low speed. Once combined, increase the speed to medium-high and beat for 7 to 10 minutes until the icing is thick, glossy, and forms stiff peaks. Achieving the right consistency is key for royal icing. For outlining and detailed work, you'll want a thicker icing that holds its shape. For flooding cookies, add a few drops of water at a time until it reaches a thinner, pourable consistency that smooths out within 10 to 15 seconds. Always cover your royal icing with plastic wrap directly on the surface to prevent it from drying out. Now for the fun part, decorating. Use piping bags fitted with different tips to create intricate designs, outlines, and flood areas. Remember to let your decorated cookies or cakes dry completely, which can take several hours or even overnight, depending on humidity. This ensures a hard, protective shell. For more great deals and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, be sure to look at the links in the description below. It's a fantastic way to keep your kitchen clean after all that baking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.